Overview of malaria disease. Malaria is a disease caused by a parasite. The parasite is spread to humans through the bites of infected mosquitoes. In 2022, there were 249 million malaria cases globally that led to 608,000 deaths in total. Impact on the body and related organ function. Malaria disease caused by parasites transmitted through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. Once inside the body, these parasites multiply within red blood cells. Malaria primarily affects the spleen or limpa, liver, and red blood cells, compromising their functions and leading to various complications if left untreated.
Causes of malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasites with 4 species known, which is Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium malariae. There are also congenital malaria, which caused by infected mother who passed the malaria disease to her baby at birth. Symptoms of malaria. Symptoms of malaria typically manifest within 10 to 15 days after a mosquito bite, though it may take longer for symptoms to appear in some cases. Common symptoms include fever, chills, headache, muscle aches, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. In severe cases, malaria can lead to complications such as organ failure, seizures, coma, and death. Particularly, it is caused by the Plasmodium falciparum species.
Diagnosing malaria involves a combination of clinical assessment, microscopic examination of blood smears, and rapid diagnostic tests or RDTS that detect antigen in the blood. Microscopic examination remains the gold standard for diagnosis, allowing identification and quantification of malaria parasites in blood. Blood tests can show the presence of the parasite and help tailor treatment by determining whether you have malaria, which type of malaria parasite is causing your symptoms. If your infection is caused by a parasite resistant to certain drugs, whether the disease is affecting any of your vital organs.
Although malaria can also be transmitted through an organ transplant, a transfusion, or use of shared needles, primarily, malaria disease is transmitted through the bite of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. These mosquitoes breed in stagnant water bodies such as ponds, marshes, and puddles. People living in or traveling to regions where malaria is endemic are at risk of infection. Treatment for malaria typically involves antimalarial medications tailored to the species of the infecting parasite and the severity due to the infection. Commonly used antimalarial drugs include chloroquine, artemisinin-based combination therapies or ACTS, quinine, and also mefloquine. However, drug resistance poses a significant challenge in the treatment of malaria, particularly in regions where resistance has emerged. Prevention strategies such as the use of insecticide-treated bed nets, indoor residual spraying, chemoprophylaxis for the travelers, and also vector control programs are also crucial in reducing malaria transmission rates.
Various complications if left untreated.
Malaria disease is
Once inside
cirrhosis.
Diagnosis Allah.
Parasite transmit
Whether the disease is affecting any of your vital organs.